The next transformation that we're going to look at is reflections. So again, unlike in geometry, we're going to be limited to only two types of reflections, which are reflections across the x-axis and reflections across the y-axis. So for a reflection across the x-axis, if you had your original function f of x, a reflection across the x-axis would take every one of these values and then flip it vertically. So, yeah, kind of like that. So for each point on f of x, to find its new coordinate in g of x, you would just take the negative of that y value. So our formula for reflections across the x-axis is that g of x would equal negative f of x, because you're taking the y values and you're just flipping them all from positive to negative or negative to positive. For a reflection across the y-axis, again, let's make our beautiful f of x right here. And so then for g of x, we're going to take every one of our values and flip them this way. So this time, we would get the same y values from the x value that is exactly opposite. So we would be instead writing that g of x is equal to f of negative x. So this point right here would be, let's give this an x value of 3. And so this is the point 3 comma f of 3. So to get the same y value on the g of x graph, you would have to look at negative 3. So the sign on the x is what changes.